All right, guys, welcome to the SOG Gaming Network. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up the system with the Elgato Capture card. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to settings. Then from settings on your PlayStation 4 or 5, you're going to go down to system. Okay. When you click on system, you're then going to look for HDMI. When you find HDMI, you're going to want it how we have it on the screen. You want enable HDCP. All right. You want that off. Okay. Just like you see it on the screen. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the card, the HD60S from Elgato. It comes with two cables, actually a third one that plugs into your computer. Okay. First cable, you're going to plug into your TV. So your HDMI cable goes into the TV. Then what you're going to do is you're going to plug that same cable into the back of your Elgato Capture card to the side that says out. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the other HDMI cable and you're going to plug that into the opposite side of the capture card, the side that says in. So once you have that plugged in, you're then going to take that HDMI cable and you're going to plug it into the back of your PlayStation, whether that be 4 or 5, depending on what you have. Obviously, 5's hard to get still. Then you're going to take the other cable and you're going to plug it in beside the in cable that you just did. And then you plug that into your USB, into your laptop or your computer, whichever you're using. From there, you're going to go to your OBS. If you don't have OBS, I'll leave the link below. And you're basically going to go to the plus sign where it shows here. And you're going to add video capture. All right. So video capture, you're then going to click OK. And so you're going to have a drop down menu and you click the HD from the Elgato, or what you do is you basically just pops up automatically. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and please subscribe.